Hello beautiful people, welcome back to It's Your Beauty, and today we're going to do a different type of video. I wanted to come on here and do a beauty slash office tour to show you guys how I store my makeup, what desk I'm using, and maybe give you a little bit of inspiration for maybe how you want to create your beauty or office room. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and comment what you want to see next from me. So I'm going to stop talking. Let's get started. We are entering my beauty room slash office. I'm going to give you guys an overview. Let me come in a little bit more. The room is not that big, but it's big enough for me and the purpose that it serves. I had to turn on every single light because I don't have a lot of natural lighting. Okay, where do we start? I'm gonna come in and close the door. Hi guys. And we're going to swing around by my closets. I have two. This one, we're not going in because it's too crowded. It's overflowing, that's why we have the clothes there. This one, I can give you a snippet. And if you want to see a full closet tour, comment down below. I have my glasses. This is the only place and the only way I knew how to store them. And then I have my necklaces down there. And then going into this closet, this is one of my shoe closets. I actually have two. Hope it's not too dark in there. Up here, I had to store all of my designer bags in these dust bags and some vintage bags there. And then I have gym shoes, more gym shoes, more gym shoes, more gym shoes, and more gym shoes. My Louis Vuittons, some Reeboks. And that is that closet. Now, let's go on this side. Okay, from here, I have a desk that was gifted to me by my daughter about 4 years ago. And down here, we have dictionaries and books, my printer, a stool, and then as you approach the desk, we have a bunch of things. This mirror is normally on this desk, so let's move that over there. These are things that to take pictures with my cell phone. This light actually came from Target. That card is from my daughter and granddaughter. I have some planners. That book is from a friend that I work with. It's called The Bucket List. It is absolutely amazing. It is a book for traveling. If you guys are considering traveling a lot, have to get that book. I think she got it off of Amazon. Don't quote me. Let me see. I want you guys to see the title of it. There you go. That mouth phone, old school, for real. Came from Amazon. I have a D for my initial, some pens, my computer box, my laptop box, and a planner that I'm writing in right now. That purse is a gift also from my daughter. It has like Vogue and Men's Health and a lot of different magazines on it and pictures. So I want to hang it there. I use that for my clothing when I go to the laundromat that cannot go in the dryer. And that's the door. And then some of my paintings. Across from that desk is where you guys see me film. That's my ring light. And then behind there, that's the background that you normally see. The chair is a white mesh chair. It came from Wayfair. Actually, I got a really good deal on it. It was like 46 bucks or something. I had a discount code and it was on sale. The L desk came from Wayfair, and it was, I think, $270. And the reason why I chose an L desk is because I wanted my space to be, I wanted to be able to work in my space and also store makeup that I need on a daily basis in that space as well. And you can actually move that piece to the other side, however your room is set up. And the top is glass, which is good because when you're working with makeup, it gets everywhere. And then, oh, I probably need to turn this light on. Okay, on this side of the desk, we have the makeup that I use and gravitate towards on a daily basis. And I didn't want to put it in the storage bins because then you have to dig it out every day. So this is the best place for it. Like I said, it's not going to be detailed because I can do a separate makeup collection video. I'm just going to show you guys what's on the desk. I'm trying to stay out of the mirror because when you're in the house, you know, you kind of look like house material. Anywho, in there we have things that I gravitate towards every day. We have brushes in there. We have extra brushes there. Right there is makeup that I use daily. And then this acrylic piece right here. This is the original E-Diva makeup acrylic storage unit. The Kardashians, when they came out with Keeping Up with the Kardashians, they had these units. And I bought this like 10 years ago. And they're the ones that made me want it. That's funny, now that I think about it. It was about $400. Or it was like two sizes. One was like 3 something and one was like 4 something. And let me get up close to it. It's very, very thick acrylic. And it has the E-Diva logo on it. And on top of this unit, I have, my daughter gave me that, Boss. I have a crystal. This says, life is short, wear cute shoes. Mirror, candle. And the top drawer, we have all of my glitters. In the back part of the drawer, we have lashes, black eyeliners, single eyeshadows, mascaras, colored eyeliners, lip pencils, extra brushes. These drawers can actually pull out. And then my curtains came from Ross. And these white sparkly ones came from TJ Maxx. Then I put this little fold, I don't even know what to call it, just to add a little color. And now this is a radiator, a ugly eyesore. What I did was I wanted to paint the radiator and I was like, nah, and I had like a teal rug and I threw it on top of there, and there you have it. Then I have some extra hats here in that box. I don't even know what's in that box. I can't even lie. This is more like a vision, mood, inspiration wall. When I look through magazines and I find things that inspire me, I like to cut them out of the magazines and take them to the wall to look at. It just gives me a lot of inspiration with the colors and patterns. There's a saying on this wall that says, I love feeling confident in what I'm wearing. You could tell when somebody is forced into something. So that's just a lot of confidence right there, like that. And then I put this up before I started YouTube just to keep me focused on starting YouTube. And then I want to go to Paris after all this blows over. And this just says hello Paris. And then a lot of designs, polka dots, 60s wear, glasses, purses. This is my calendar board. Write things down. These two things right here, these are recipes for eye looks. Recipes for eye looks. I don't know how to explain it. When I come up with different eyeshadow looks, I'm not gonna remember. So I have to write it down, and I normally stick them up there and kind of go through them every day to kind of look and see what I want to do. And then I have some sayings on here. One is be in love with your life every minute of it. The other is never change your plan to fit someone, because the right someone will always fit your plan. And then this one says, God is she who sweetens all things. My puff balls, I've had these little puffy clouds I've had for years. These were actually in my living room, and they give me a lot of inspiration. I love them there. And they kind of move around when the wind blows, so I have some teal clouds over me. Now, this is my storage unit. It's a dresser, but I feel like the Alex 9 drawer unit, I see people, they have like 3 and 4 of those things, and if I have to purchase it, I'd rather wait and fill this one up because this offers more space. I actually got this from Wayfair. It was a little pricey. I think it was like $400. Not really sure. Don't quote me on that. On top of the dresser, I have a lamp. I have my perfumes and a TV because I'm a TV fanatic. Over the unit, I have a Buddha picture, and then this one says some girls are just born with glitter in their veins. No in-depth makeup collection, but I'm going to show you what's in there, okay? So in the first drawer, we have all of my lipsticks. Then we have concealers, primers, blushes, foundation, highlighters, you name it, it's in there. Then in this one, my equipment and cameras. And then this last one down here, a lot of my nail stuff. I like to do my nails sometimes, so it's like nail and hair stuff in there. On this side, all of my lip glosses. I prefer lip gloss over lipstick, but I will wear both. That's in there. My high-end eyeshadow palettes. What I would say is high-end. This one we have my drugstore eyeshadow palettes. And then in this one, shut up, don't say a word, all of my jewelry, and I have to get it sorted out. So that's that side of the room. And then we have a full-length mirror that we saw coming in. Bought that at Ross. The lights came from TJ Maxx. And the stool, I can't remember. Oh, and then this rug came from TJ Maxx. Like a round teal rug. It's made out of like, I forgot the name of this material. Almost like what those straw chairs are made out of. Anyway, like basket material. It's really, really pretty. And then we're back at the door. That is the end of my beauty room / office tour. I hope this inspired you guys on like storage ideas or desk ideas. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.